Good morning from Transylvania. I was thinking Monday is not a good day to show up with difficult problems, as I always show up with. Today I went to the machine shop, to a more complex machine shop, actually more machine shops, to hone these cylinders. I would say a normal and easy to do machinery. We have to make the inside bigger with 1.5 millimeter for the big bore pistons, and because we don't have a hole on the back, they got scared and told me, no, sorry Sebastian, we cannot help you with this. They had 40 machines or 30 big nice new machines over there, but I guess it's just a Monday and they didn't want to use too much their creativity. So here we are, finding a way out to do it myself. As I have only access to rotating tools, fine grinding, inside grinding, I am thinking to rotate this cylinder on a machine, and for that I will have to make a special device that will bolt on this side of the cylinder. And these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, so we can get it in a machine, spin it, and go inside and do the machinery and fine grinding job. Let's see how that goes.